Go or never go for one night. Oh, Lucy, go or never go for one night. Lazy boy, you're so
going to get Biafra will come 2023 so time. It didn't come.
Days to Biafra. How many days is 138 days? Biafra will be restored in 2023. This movement will restore Biafra in 2023. Go and mark my word. And I have always told you people, I know the day Biafra will come. Biafra that Wazirike did not declare since 1999. I'm going to declare it between 2022 and 2023. The Biafra that it could not get from 1967 is this Simon Ekpa that is going to declare it between 2022 and 2023. All of you are just very idiotic.
They know that there's nothing. But we thought that there was thing going on because monies were being contributed. But when we realized that nothing was going to happen, we backed out and said, no, this is wrong. Now, those of you that came out to condemn us, you can see that the whole thing is happening. For he has told you that if Ojukwu could not give you Biafra, Ralph Wazirike could not give you Biafra. How do you expect him to give you Biafra? That's what he told you, that you are very stupid. That's what he said, you are very stupid. So, the problem is that you don't want to use your head to understand what is going on. You are just going to bed to sleep. Carry all your hopes and put on one man and say he will give us, I will sleep in Nigeria, wake up in Biafra tomorrow. How foolish are you? For America, in all their sophistication and knowledge, they still strategize, they plan a program. They plan it very, very well. Do rehearsals, and then they go at it. They have elite squad. They have the Marines. Tough, high quality trained people for specific purposes. They don't underrate anybody. But you will be there. You don't have anything. You're underrating people. And you're telling somebody, I am going to bomb Aso Rock and make sure nobody comes out. That is noise you make so that those Biafrans who don't have understanding say, yes, it's a person. Naga bomboa. Oh, no, Kikuru. You can't do it. And because you don't have the arsenal, they take advantage of your careless talk to go and bomb our people at home and kill them. They take advantage of that and begin to find ways to delay Nnamdi Kanu's release. Because you talk anyhow, and it is your talking that is contributing a problem.